You know the physical weight of an anxiety spike, the racing heart, the shallow, constricted breath, and the spinning thoughts of a fight or flight response. While these sensations feel automatic, your body contains specific parasympathetic pathways that can override this state, allowing you to manually signal the brain to resume a state of rest. This 5-minute protocol, known as the nervous system reset, uses 3 distinct breathing rhythms to synchronize your heart rate and lower physiological stress markers like cortisol. To begin, find a comfortable seated or lying position. You already possess the biological tools required to take back control of your physiology. Step 1 is the mechanical setup. Close your mouth and place one hand on your chest, with the other resting on your stomach. Inhale and exhale exclusively through your nose. Nasal breathing allows the paranasal sinuses to synthesize nitric oxide, a potent vasodilator that relaxes your blood vessels and increases oxygen uptake by up to 18%. As you breathe, perform a tactile check. The hand on your stomach should rise and fall, while the hand on your chest remains perfectly still. Shallow breathing in the upper chest sends a constant signal of threat to the brainstem. By engaging the diaphragm instead, you physically disrupt the feedback loop that fuels anxiety. Mastering this diaphragmatic posture is the safeguard that prevents the dizziness of overbreathing and prepares your body for deep recovery. We now move to step 2, coherent breathing. This phase requires a balanced rhythm, a 5-second inhale followed by a 5-second exhale. This chart shows how your breathing rate influences heart rate variability, or HRV. Slowing your breath to 5.5 cycles per minute creates a resonant wave that maximizes your HRV, a primary indicator of a resilient and regulated nervous system. Let's begin. Breathe in slowly through your nose, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale smoothly through your nose, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will continue for 4 cycles. Inhale smoothly. Exhale. Keep the air flowing without pausing at the top or bottom. This balanced oscillation is creating cardiovascular coherence, a state where your heart and lungs work in total synchronization to stabilize your entire system. The final step is the most aggressive shift, a 4-second nasal inhale followed by an 8-second exhale through slightly pursed lips. While an inhale increases your heart rate, an extended out-breath activates the vagus nerve. This releases acetylcholine at the heart's sinoatrial node, which directly downregulates your pulse. Pursing your lips like you are using a straw creates a mild back pressure. This resistance keeps the air sacs in your lungs inflated longer, allowing for more efficient oxygen delivery to your brain and muscles. Let's practice. Inhale for 4 seconds, and exhale slowly through pursed lips for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 more cycles. Inhale. Exhale softly, without forcing the air. If you feel lightheaded, return to a natural rhythm and rest. This extended exhale acts as a manual override, shifting the autonomic nervous system out of sympathetic drive and into a state of parasympathetic recovery. Release the count. Allow your breath to settle into its own natural pace, and slowly open your eyes. Take a physical inventory of your body right now. Observe the tension in your jaw, the position of your shoulders, and the rhythm of your heart. This anatomical mapping shows the direct link between your respiratory rhythm and your systemic stress response. The calm you feel is the physiological result of the signaling pathways you have just activated. You have completed the nervous system reset. You can deploy just 60 seconds of the straw breath anywhere, in traffic or before a meeting, to instantly regain your physiological baseline.